Outlook is strong, Steve. Fundamentals are in place. Construction industry will continue to grow strongly. Governments are investing heavily in infrastructure. You do have population and urbanization growth. This will drive commercial and residential sector. And also, we want to build a more sustainable world.
Miljan, I mean, one of the areas in which some might look at and think, well, there's an area for growth here is India. And some look at it as perhaps an alternative to China at present. But you divested from that area, the business divested from that area pretty recently. And like I said, at the same time, China isn't necessarily growing at the same pace as it did previously. Are you seeing any effects of that? Is there any concern in that regard?
Not really. We are constantly optimizing our geographical footprint. We want to be present and we want to invest in the most attractive markets. Our focus is on Europe, our focus is on US, LATAM, and selective countries in Asia and Middle East and Africa.
So with that expansion then in North America especially then, is that beginning to pay dividend? Are you beginning to see the growth out there?
Of course, we have managed to double our business in the last 3 years in North America. Today, we are market leader in all key geographical areas, and we have more than 900 operational sites across the US, and we are ready to capture the next era of growth in infrastructure in US.
Yeah, let's talk about margins, if you will. Just what is the sustainable margin level for investors to be looking at for your business?
We are constantly working on increasing our EBIT margins, and just alone in Q2, we reached all record high EBIT margins of 23.2%, which is an increase of 210 basis points. We are doing this by advancing our sustainable building solutions, delivering superior value to our customers. We see decarbonization and circular construction as a profitable growth drivers. And we continue with our highly accretive M&A execution with another 11 highly synergetic acquisitions in H1.
As you look